If you are a potato lover, today's recipe is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm making air fryer garlic and herb wedges. I am using garlic powder and dry mixed herbs for this recipe. I've prepped the potatoes beforehand and patted them dry, so I will jump right in. I put the potatoes in a large bowl and season them with a teaspoon of vegeta, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, followed by a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I mix this well and spray the air fryer basket with oil. Then I arrange the potatoes at the bottom of the basket in a single layer. I put these in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. I flip the wedges and cook them for another 10 minutes at the same temperature. At this point, I serve the wedges. Feel free to serve them with your favorite grilled meat, chicken, fish, or salad. If you like this video, please like, comment down below and share. Subscribe for simple recipes and turn the notification bell on to be notified every time I put up a new post. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.